Okay, guys, let's look at this other question. The diagram below shows a stage during the breathing in and out in human beings. Okay. Question A. Label on the diagram the following. So they want us to label the nose and the trachea. That one is simple. Okay, the nose and the trachea, that one is simple. Okay, question B. Roman numeral 1. Which stage during breathing is illustrated in the diagram? So the stage which is illustrated is the stage of expiration. So the answer is expiration. Okay, what has guided us is the shape of the diaphragm. We know during expiration, the diaphragm curves or makes a dome shape. So no wonder the answer is expiration. This stage of breathing is expiration. Okay, question B. Roman numeral 2. Give a reason for your answer in question B, Roman numeral 1. Why are we saying this stage is expiration? So because the diaphragm is curved upwards. The diaphragm is curved upwards. Because the diaphragm is curved upwards. Okay. Question C. Describe the changes in the diaphragm and ribs which would allow air to go into the lungs. So the changes which take place in the diaphragm and ribs during inspiration, okay, because they are saying which would allow air to go into the lungs. Okay, so the answer is during inspiration, the intercostal muscles between the ribs contract. The ribs move upwards and outwards. The diaphragm is flattened and straightened. Okay, meaning it moves downwards. Then the volume of the chest increases. The air pressure in the chest decreases and air is drawn in. Okay, so those who are writing, you can write during inspiration, the intercostal muscles contract, comma, the ribs move upwards and outwards, comma, the diaphragm is straightened and flattened, comma, the volume of the chest increases, comma, the air pressure in the chest decreases.